we covered some data types. Okay, data types. We discussed about frozen set, dictum, range. Okay, range, bytes and a byte array. Okay, like we covered. Even I gave a small assignment. Yes, there are n number of students already did that assignment and shared via mail. Okay, the people not yet tried. At least tomorrow, can you please send? Tomorrow, can you please send? Complete that assignment and please send. Highly recommended. Good programming practice. Okay, like next, one more thing I have to. I usually I told in our sessions. I hope how many people remember. I don't know how many people remember that. I don't know that, sir. There are some students are always asking, sir, I'm not having prior prior programming knowledge. Can I learn the Python or not? Yes, it is a very common doubt in the demo sessions. Most of the students asked, have you remembered? Or I'm coming from non-technical or otherwise non-programming background. So, am I fit to learn Python or not? Like a number of students asked. Then I told, then I told, sir, it is a very easy. Python is a very easy programming language. To learn Python, nothing is required. To learn Python, nothing is required. Like I told multiple times that. Okay, even so, just for kidding, say I told one statement. Have you remember, right? I told one statement also. I hope you may remember. Array, if you have the kids, better to bring your kids. If you are getting the doubt, your kids are going to clarify your doubt. Have you remember, right? Yes, friends. Yes, I told. Yes, really, one wonderful story. I want to share with you people, right? Okay. So here one wonderful story. Here, just observe that. Okay, here I kept a folder. The name itself indicates wonderful, excellent. There is something is there inside. I want to show for you people, right? Here, just this is the mail what I got. Okay, this is the mail what I got from somewhere. Just have a look once. Okay, I don't want to keep any mail IDs contact information for them. Sir, can you please have a look once? Sir, I want to personally thank you for your training. Okay, and the class on Microsoft Python certification. Yes, my 8 years daughter who was studying fourth class cleared the certification after taking online training from Durga Soft. Here, can you please have a look once? How many years daughter? 8 years daughter who is studying fourth class standard, fourth standard. Okay, like a clear certification after taking online training from Durgasoft, even online test from Udemy, Durgasoft. So Durgasoft, we published one mock test series related to the this Microsoft certification there. Sir, and secure 90%. 90%. Thank you very much for your kind of training. So everybody can understand. I attached the screen certificate for your reference. Okay, please convey this message to Durga sir. Wow, wonderful. Have you observed, right? Yes, here really this is just what is our scorecard. Have a look once, sir. Sir, Vijay Lakshmi Koneti successfully completed. Successfully completed. She is Microsoft Python. Okay, Microsoft Technology Associate. Okay, have you observed, right? This is Satya Nadella, Chief Executive Officer, CEO of Microsoft. N Satya, something like. Okay, he's from okay here. I mean Andhra. Telangana, Andhra. He's from Andhra, Telangana, Telugu states. Okay, like yes, have you observed, right? CEO. Okay, like now here just our score sheet also. Okay, like yes, observe a bit very carefully. Yes, your score is 90 percentage passing score, but your score is sorry, 70 percentage is the passing score. Your score is the 90 percentage. When sir she took the exam, are you seeing, right? Sunday, January 3rd, 2021. Have you observed how? Yes, here take a bit very special care. Okay, that small kid, that small kid, wow, wonderful. Yes, friends. Okay, the small kid learn Python, clear Microsoft certification. Yes, how much easy. Really motive. I want to talk with her Okay, definitely I will do that. Okay, small kid who clear Microsoft Python certification. Okay, with the 90 percentage score. Yeah, then what you people are learning? Can you please? Is it audible and visible, right? Respond. Is it audible and visible, right? Okay, yeah. Then what about you people, man? Eh? Yes, it is a very easy. Believe me, a small kid also can learn Python. Yes, clear practical proof. Clear practical proof. Really. So I got this mail today morning. Really, by seeing that, I felt I felt happy like anything, man. So it's yeah. Yes, here just take. So if any person is asking any question, can I learn Python? Either Python is the difficult or easy. So simple answer you have to tell. A small kid also can learn Python. Practical proof. Okay, not my words. Okay, practical proof. Remember that. Okay. Yes. Clear, right? Are you in the position to understand? Okay, small kid. Yeah, yeah. A small kid. Really, I have to talk with her. I want to ask some questions related to the Python, whether she's going to answer or not. Okay, really, it's a real amazing, man. Wonderful, wonderful. So it is something like yes. Okay, wonderful, wonderful. What we call achievement. Okay, like yeah. Okay, now that's all. This is the small thing I want to share with you people. Okay. Anyway, now let me start our next cinema. What is the next cinema, sir? Okay. Gangaraj Subramaniam Raj. Sir, you can recruit her for next online batches. Yes, why not? Why not? We can recruit. Why not? We can recruit. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Well, sir, now take uh, yeah, yeah. Take a bit special care. Of course, the remaining things, let me start our cinema, sir. Sir, have you remembered all the data types we covered already? Next, two or three small points are missing in the language fundamentals. Let me talk about that, sir. Sir, do you know none data type? Okay, none data type, none type. Actually, strictly speaking, none types are. So here, none means none means nothing, correct, right? None means nothing, right? Okay, none means nothing, like sir. Now if the value is not available, array my variable not referring, not representing any value, if the value is not available to handle such type of cases, none introduced. Remember this one, sir. If the value is not available, if the value is not available, not available to handle such type of cases, to handle such type of cases, okay, we have to go for none. Remember this one, sir. Okay, we have to go for none. Okay, like sir, I don't know, sir. To handle such type of cases, we require to go for none, like sir. It is something like null in Python, null in Java. Have you remembered anyone attended, anyone aware Java, or the people who are coming from Java background? In Java we have null is there. It is something like null. It is something like a null in Java. Okay, like sir. Now what is the meaning of this one, sir? Just let me talk about this. A small point I'm trying to take, sir. Suppose assume that I have x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10, sir. What is the meaning of that? X is pointing to which object? Can you please confirm? X is pointing to which object, sir? Yes, here 10 integer object is there. X is pointing to this object, right? So now x is equal to none I'm taking. X is equal to none I'm taking, sir. If I can take x is equal to none, what is the meaning of that? What is the meaning? Meaning of that is x is not pointing to any object. Are you getting right? X is not pointing to any object. In the future, if you want, you can assign x is equal to 10 or x is equal to 20, something like that. Array, no value associated with none, no value associated with x. How you can represent, sir? For that, none is the concept which came into the picture. Clear? So what is the meaning of none? None means nothing. If the value not available, if the reference variable not point into any object, to handle such type of cases, null itself came in the picture. That's what you people should aware clearly, right? Okay, well, now here, how it is implemented, right? How internally, how it is implemented? Yes, take a bit special care. Sir, x is equal to none means x is pointing to which object? Hey, respond. X is pointing to which object? No object. No object. Hey, x is equal to none. X is equal to none. X is equal to none means x is not pointing to any object. Any object, right? Best example. Suppose here, let me take this one. Here, just observe that test dot py. I'm trying to take. Now x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10, sir. Sir, now print x. Print x. X is pointing to which one? Yes, integer object 10. Integer object 10. Yes, sir. That's why we are going to get. Yeah, that's why we are going to get. Yes, what is the output by default we are going to get here is here. Just observe that. Okay, 10 we will get a 10, sir. Py test.py. Yes, but the answer we are getting 10 itself is the answer we are going to get. Now my question is x is equal to none. X is equal to none. So now x is not pointing to any object. What is the output we are going to get, sir? None. Simply, what is the answer we are going to get, sir? None like. Then immediately you may ask, sir, where you have this type of requirement? Where you have this type of requirement like, sir, very simple. To handle no value cases, this none is required. 1 minute, sir. Now listen carefully. Def f1 is there. I'm taking. What is do you know? Here, just observe a bit very carefully, sir. Def f1. So assume f1 is a function. If I'm taking print hello, I'm taking, sir. Sir, now observe that f1 is a function. It is the responsible to print hello. F1 is a function. It is the responsible to print hello, like I'm taking, sir. Sir, now I'm taking f1 bracket open bracket close. Okay. Can you please confirm what is the output we are going to get now? Please confirm. What is the output we are going to get now? Sir, if I'm trying to call this function, now this function is going to execute print hello, like we are going to get. Yes, perfect, right. Now I'm taking, sir, here observe that instead of printing hello, return 10 I took, return 10 I'm taking. If I call f1, f1, this f1 function return 10. Okay. Now here print of 10, print of f1. Just a basic idea sake I'm taking, sir. So call f1 function. F1 function is going to return something that return the value. Can you please assign that return the value? Can you please assign? Okay, like this is my requirement, right? What is the output by default you are going to get? Can you please print that return value 10, because we are returning 10. We are returning 10. That's why, right? Now, just I'm taking print of hello. Okay, now listen this one, sir. Sir, take very special care. If I call f1, because of that, it is going to print hello. But is this f1 function is return something? Can you please confirm? Is this f1 function return something? No. It is not return something. Oh, no value return. But still, that return value, I'm trying to print what will happen. Yes, have you observed, right? None. Okay, remember this one. None. What it means is, so if there is no value, if a function won't return anything, to handle such type of cases, which concept came in the picture is none came in the picture. Any doubt? All the people are in the position to understand? Okay, none means there is no value. There is no value to indicate, to use, to handle such type of scenarios. Happily, we can go for none data type. Okay, well, so now how it is internally implemented? How it is internally implemented, right? So the default return type for any function is a none if you are not return any value explicitly. Remember that. So show one in the next level, we will talk about this. Don't worry. But up to that, just take a bit special care. The default return type for any function is a none. None. If you are not return any value explicitly. Am I return any value? Respond. Can you please confirm? Am I return any value explicitly? No, 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 no. I didn't return. That's why which value will be returned by default? None, none, none. Like because it's not return anything, sir. That's why. So it is not a return statement. It is a print statement. Babita, don't get confused. It is not a return statement. It is a print statement. Okay, return statement means you require to write like this. Okay, you have to take like this. Whenever I'm calling F1, it is printing hello and the return 10. That 10 I'm trying to print. Now observe. Yes, hello because of print statement and the return value 10, it is going to be printed. But I'm not taking this one. Okay, the default return value, implicit return value is what is that? Is none, none. Okay, now observe carefully. Yes, Sushovan, is it clear? Okay, but anyway, in the functions, we have to talk in detail. Don't worry about that. In the functions concept, we require to talk a bit more. Okay, at this stage, okay, ignore. Don't worry, right? Okay, well. So now my question is, how this none is implemented? Okay, x is equal to none. I'm taking sir. Print the type of x. Print a type of x. Okay, listen very carefully, very carefully about this one, sir. Sir, x is equal to none. X is equal to none. Is equal to none. Internally, how it is implemented? How to handle this type of cases is in Python. None is also implemented as an object only. Remember this one. None is also treated as an object only. X is pointing to none object. Remember carefully, sir. So means that x is not representing any value to indicate that x is pointing to none. What is the type of this x is none type. Can you please tell what is the type of this one? None type. None type. Remember carefully, right? Okay. Now observe class which types are none type. Remember. Okay, like now I have one small doubt. X is equal to none. General word. What is the meaning of this one? Array x is not pointing to any object. Implicitly x is pointing to none object. None object, right? Now I'm taking y is equal to none. Y is equal to none. Array z is equal to none. What is the meaning of this one? Can you please confirm? Y is equal to none, z is equal to none means do you know it is a clear indication that boss y is also not pointing to an object. Z is also not pointing to an object. Meaning is x, y, z are not pointing to any object. So to indicate not pointing to any object, I created none. None object internally will be created. Now my question is, how many none objects will be created? Yes, respond. It is also a very important question. How many none objects will be created inside Python? Because the purpose is x is not pointing to an object, y is not pointing to an object, z is not pointing to an object. So purpose is the same. Then why I have to create multiple none objects internally? How many none objects will be created, sir? Only one none object will be created. Reusability. So how many none will be created? Only one object will be created. Okay, this is a none object X is pointing to this object, Y is pointing to this object, Z is also pointing to this object. All these references point into the same object. There is no problem. Where is the proof for that? Print ID of X. Okay, ID of Y. Okay, ID of Z. Array, address of X, address of Y, address of Z. In all these cases, what is the output by default you are going to get? Can you please observe that? 696. 696. 696. Is it the same or not? Okay, clear, right? So none means there is no value to handle such type of cases. We require to go for none. X point into none object means X is not representing any value. Remember, right? Okay, sir, where you have this type of requirement, multiple times we are going to use this none in our Python sessions. Slowly you people are going to get it. Don't worry at all. Okay, clear, right? All the people are in the position to understand. Sir, how many non objects will be created in Python? In Python, how many non objects are going to be created? Only one. Only one. Okay, only. Hey, how many non objects will be created in Python? Only one. Even you can use multiple times, multiple times. But in all these cases, all the references are always pointing to the same object. That's what you should aware. Now my next question is, listen a bit carefully. Where we can use this non multiple places we are going to use. Next level we will discuss. But someone is asking about, sir, what is the size of this non object? Okay, don't worry much about the sizes, because being a programmer we never going to use. But still, if you are interested, I can tell. Okay, import sys, import sys dot get the size of get size of X. Array, what is the size of non-object in Python? What is the size of non-object in Python? 16. Remember this one. What is the size of non-object in Python? 16 bytes. Okay, 16 bytes is the size of non-object in Python. But anyway, it is not at all required. Not at all required. You can ignore. Okay, like, sir, someone is asking about if X plus Y, what is the value? Okay, Dhanasri, we will discuss in operators why you have to worry about this. Okay. Next, Gangraj, to import libraries, either internet connection is required or not. So these are the default libraries which are available with the Python installation. Internet is not required. Remember. Okay. But there are some third-party libraries what we have to install from some third-party libraries. Then internet connection is required. Okay. Yeah. Okay, like Selenium module I want to install, PyMongo module I require to install. Okay, internet connection must be required. Yeah. That's all. So this is the story about none. Okay, everyone got the basic idea. What about none? Everyone got the basic idea. What about none means nothing. If the value is not available, to handle such type of cases we require to go for none. It is something like a null in Java. Okay, like how many none objects will be created? Only one none object will be created and utilized by and shared by all objects. Okay, shared, and I mean same object will be shared by multiple references. Okay, that's it. Next, one more, sir. Okay, escape characters. Escape characters. Escape characters like. Okay, it's very simple, sir. Very simple. So do you know in string literals, is it possible to use escape characters or not? Yes, why not? Happily we can use, no problem, right? Sir, which are escape characters? The characters which has some special meaning, some special meaning. Such type of characters are called escape characters. Okay, best example here, observe that s is equal to s is equal to, okay, now I'm taking Durga software. solutions like I'm trying to take, sir. Assume that I'm trying to take. Sir, now, so print, yes, if I can take like this, what is the output by default you are going to get? Same one line, Durga, software, solutions like we are going to get the same. But now my requirement is Durga, okay, backslash n. Okay, because I want Durga in single line. Okay, I want software in next line, backslash n. Have you ever heard about these type of things? Can you please confirm? Yes, friends. Is it forward slash or backward slash? Huh? Yes, here backslash. Okay, backslash n. Okay, forward slash means this is the forward slash. Don't get confused. Okay, forward slash is, sir, this is the backslash. Like, sir, now can you please tell what is the purpose of this backslash n? I hope you people may heard something like what is the need? What is the need is so it is backslash n character has some special meaning, new line, next line, something like this backslash n itself is considered as escape character. Okay, so in Python strings, string literals, is it possible to use escape characters or not? Yes, we can use, no problem, right? Sir, earlier output is Durga software solutions in a single line. But now the output what we are going to get is, yes, have you observed? Durga in one line, software is in another line, solutions is one line. Okay, this type of thing is by default considered as escape character. Backslash n is one escape character which has some special meaning. Okay, like suppose, can I take backslash t or not? Okay, can I take backslash t or not? Yes, why not? Why not? What is the meaning of backslash t? I respond. What is the meaning of backslash t? Tab. Okay, horizontal tab. Like now here, observe carefully. Observe carefully. Durga, tab is there. Okay, this type of thing is by default considered. Yeah, spaces. A sequence of spaces by default is a tab. If you want a tab, space in the middle, then happily we can go for backslash t. So this backslash t is another escape character. Clear? Are you are you in the position to understand? Some people may have the doubt. Okay, here small space, but here big space. Don't worry at all. It is the problem in the command line. The problem with respect to this command line. No problem at all with respect to our code. Okay, every time it has to provide same space only. Okay, ignore. Clear, right? That's all. This is the backward slash teaser. Okay, now here like in Python, how many escape characters are there? What are various escape characters are there, sir? Okay, in string literals, literals, we can use escape characters. We can use escape characters. Okay, which are associated with some meaning, some special meaning is there, right? Which are associated with some special meaning like now here just observe that carefully, right? So which things are there? Okay, the first one, backslash n. What is the meaning of backslash n? Oi, respond. Just now we covered new line character. Next backslash t, I'm taking, sir. Backslash t means do you know something like a horizontal tab? Okay, horizontal horizontal tab, like horizontal tab. Okay, spaces in the horizontal line. Next r means carriage return. Okay, we never going to use these things. Don't worry sir. Carriage return, what is the meaning of all these things? We never going to use, just aware boss, these are also things like what we have. Next backslash b means backspace, backspace. Okay, like a backspace. Next f means form feed. F means form feed. Okay, backspace, form feed. Okay, like next do you know, sir, backslash do you know we also vertical tab, vertical tab like next Sometimes we may use backslash single quote. Backslash single quote. Sir, here this is the single quote symbol. Single quote. Backslash double quote. Backslash double quote. This is by default considered as double quote symbol. Double quote symbol. Sir, sometimes I want to use backslash as the symbol only. Yes, this is backslash symbol. Okay, backslash symbol. If you want to use backslash, yeah, the symbol but not escape character, then how you can do that? Okay, like so all these things are various escape characters what we have. So the characters which are associated with some special meaning, these things are by default considered as escape characters. Escape characters usually we can use in string literals. Clear, right? All the people are in the position to understand. Okay, well, sir, now I have one small doubt. Okay, sir, here some people may ask, sir, what is the carriage return? Carriage return means beginning of the line. Okay, suppose the cursor is locating here. Yes, can you please move to the beginning of this line, beginning of the current line, or beginning of the next line, something like so beginning carriage return beginning of the next line, something like sir, backspace character. What is the meaning of backspace is, yes sir, there is one key is there in our keyboard, okay, with this symbol. Have you observed? The previous character will be deleted. Such type of functionality if you are expecting, then backspace. Okay. What is the meaning of form feed, sir? Form feed means next page down, something like next page. Can you please move the cursor to the next page down, like form feed we are going to use. Vertical tab, you know, spaces. Sir, what it means, where you can use this one, or what it means, where you can use this. Suppose my requirement is, listen a bit carefully about this one, sir. Okay, I want to print this is, observe carefully. This is symbol like I'm taking, sir. Can you please have a look once? Is it a string literal or not? Hey, respond. Is it a string literal or not? Yes. How you can consider it is a string literal? Enclosed with the single quote. Single quotes. So whenever a sequence of characters enclosed within single quotes, a sequence of characters enclosed within single quotes, then by default it is treated as a string literal. Okay. Quote quote symbol means some special meaning is there. Okay, if I use quote, it is always going to search for ending symbol also. It is a mandatory, right? But now I have to convey, Python virtual machine, don't apply your meaning of quote symbol. Can you please consider this quote as a symbol only? How you can do that? Okay, I'm taking here. Okay, this is the symbol like, this is the quote symbol like. Can you please confirm, is it valid or invalid? Respond. Is it valid or invalid? Invalid. Because code symbol is already open. Python virtual machine is always going to check if the code symbol is already completed. So this code symbol will become alone, like immediately error by default you are going to get. Okay, like invalid syntax, right? Now I have to convey, hey, Python virtual machine, don't consider this code symbol as a string literal code symbol. Can you please consider this one as a normal character? How you can indicate that? Use backslash. Have you observed? Now backslash a single quote means this single quote is treated as a symbol but not a string literal single quote symbol. Feeling comfortable? Where we have to use backslash single quote. Okay, sir, now observe that carefully. Yes, what is the answer? This is the single quote symbol. A single quote treated as a symbol only, not its internal meaning. Okay, like similarly, if I can take double quotes, okay, if I can take double quotes, it's going to be valid, no problem, because there is no conflict, right? Suppose assume that here, like array, this double quotes open, here you closed. Now automatically this one will become invalid, right? This one will become invalid, like you are going to get the error, invalid syntax. Now I have to convey, hey, don't consider these double quotes, yeah, string literal related double quotes. Can you please consider backslash? Regarding, can you please consider backslash like now what is the answer by default you are going to get? This is a double quote symbol. Feeling comfortable? Regarding, if you want to consider single quote as a symbol only, then backslash single quote. If you want to consider double quotes as the symbol only, then backslash double quotes. If you want to consider backslash as a symbol, now I have one small doubt, sir. Okay, here I'm taking this is backslash a symbol. Okay, like what is the output we are going to get? Can you please consider? Okay, this is the backslash symbol. Wow, perfect. Now have a look once. If I can take like this, if I can take like this, what will happen? Now I have a look once. Oh, here in Python, there is no problem at all. It is going to recognize. But in other languages like Java, yes, a single quote, backslash, immediately it is treated as the problem. It is considered the problem. Hey, illegal escape character. But in Python, it's not that much worry about this. 1 minute. Let me go for a small Java code. Here, observe that carefully, right? String s is equal to Durga soft. Okay, like I'm taking, sir. Now here backslash yes, I'm trying to take. Let me print this yes. Oh, you people, sir, here observe. It is the same in Java related terminology. I'm showing, sir, what will happen. Okay, now this is the tester.java. Have a look once. What will happen in this case is Java C tester.java. Have you observed? Have you observed? What is the problem we are getting? Illegal escape character. Array backslash yes. There is no such type of escape character like it is telling. Now I have to convey. Hey, please consider backslash as a symbol only. How you can take another backslash? If I can take another backslash, now this backslash is treated as symbol only, not escape character backslash. Now observe. Now observe. Yes, the code is valid. Now what is the output we are going to get here? Backslash is treated as a symbol but not escape character. Okay, like the same thing, but in Python we have some relaxation. It seems backslash no problem at all, but strictly speaking it should. Feeling comfortable? Yes, how many escape characters are there in Python? What is the meaning of escape characters? Like, okay, now backslash n, new line, horizontal tab, yeah, carriage return, backslash b, okay, like a backslash f, form feed, vertical tab, single quote, double quote, and like. But very rare we are going to use this. Just a basic idea say I'm covering this. Backslash r means carriage return. It will goes to the beginning of the next line. Okay, clear, right? Okay, sir, now here some people are asking, even you are taking here like array backslash like I'm trying to take. Now observe what is the output by default you are getting. It is a single quote only. It is a single backslash. What is the reason for that is array. Please consider this backslash as a symbol. Don't consider as escape character. We have to give left and right to the Python people. Hey, your backslash symbol is not working properly. Can you please cross check like? Okay, so in this version backslash symbol, actually strictly speaking I showed in Java, right? The problem it has to show. Please consider this one as the symbol only. Don't consider as escape character. How you can convey? Yes, double backslash we require to use. If I use double backslash, now backslash is treated as a symbol. That's why I'm going to get single backslash only. Yes, Babita, getting the point? Okay, that's all. Next, one more thing, what you people should aware, right? Okay, there is one more important point. What is that point here is, listen carefully, right? Sir, I have one variable is there, sir. Int x is equal to 10. Listen carefully. Array, sir is telling Java also parallelly. No. Just a matter of 1 minute. I'm taking x is equal to 10. Sir, now x is equal to 20. I'm taking system.out.println system.out.println of x value I'm taking. Can you please tell what is the output we are going to get now? If I can take like this, what is the output we are going to get now? Yes, okay, 20. 20 is the answer we are going to get. Perfect, perfect. Is the output is the 20. Array at the beginning 10, now x value is the 20. Now I'm trying to take x is the 20. Yes, perfect. Itself is acceptable. Okay, now compiles fine. Now runs fine. What is the output we are going to get at 10? 10. Now I'm taking final. Final. Hey, this actually the final. Final. No one is allowed to change its x value. Final int x is equal to 10. X value 10 is the final. No one is allowed to change x value. Then immediately, so if I'm trying to change, compiler will give left and right. Observe that. So here can't assign a value to final variable x. Okay, there is a problem we are getting because we are trying to reassign the value because even it is the final, still we are trying to assign. That's why the problem is going to come. Now the same thing in Python. How you can define constants, sir? By using final, we can define constants in Java. In okay Python, how to define constants? Okay, how you can define constants? Remember a bit very carefully. Anyone, can you please guide how to define constants in Python? Yeah, by using final, by using, how you can constants even st keyword? Take very special care. Simple answer, there is no way to define constants. There is no way to define constants in Python. Remember this one. In Python, there is no way to define constants. Such type of concept, it is not applicable. But the convention, array, if you feel that this variable value not recommended to change, okay, feel, if you feel, so there is a convention is there. Use only uppercase characters. Use only uppercase characters. Something like max value. Okay, something like max value is the 10. So by seeing this one, the convention that, oh, this value not recommended to change, is intentionally telling that it is a constant. Okay, it is a convention, but not compulsory. But not compulsory. Convention is the different, rule is the different. It is not a rule. It is not a rule. It is a convention. It is a convention to use. Okay. Now, whenever I'm taking this type of thing, okay, observe that print max value. Let me print max value. What is the output by default you are going to get is 10. There is no doubt at all. 10 itself is, sir, here 10 itself is this one, sir. Sir, now my question is, here see, can I take max value is equal to 20? Possible or not? Can I take max value is equal to 20? Yeah, that is what convention. Okay, it is not, it is not compulsion that you should not change the value. Array, it is the rule. It is the good programming practice, boss. I'm intentionally telling only uppercase letter. Please consider this one is a constant. Please consider this one is a constant. Like, but still, if you want to change, okay, I can't do anything. You can change, no problem, right? But it's not recommended to change this value because I kept already followed some convention, like, so what is the output we will get, sir? 20 we are going to get. We won't get any error at all. Clear, right? What is the meaning of convention? Convention means okay, practice. That's all. It is doesn't mean compulsory. The value you can't reassign its value. No, no, no. We can reassign. Any doubt? So, is there any constants concept in Python? Respond. Is there any constants concept in Python? Can you please confirm? No, no, remember that. But it is a convention to follow. You require to use which ones are uppercase characters in our variables. Then the people are going to feel, oh, we should not change its value. That feeling, the people who are going to use this variable, they are going to get. Beyond that, nothing, sir. Next, there is one more small concept I have to cover. Comments in Python. comments in Python, very important for Microsoft Python certification. Also this one, comments in Python line. So what about comments in Python? It's a very simple, sir, very simple. Do you know how to define comments? by using by using as a symbol we can define a comment. As a symbol we can define comment. We can define comments. Okay, comment means just for code readability sake. Array I'm taking, okay, just this script is very helpful. This script is very helpful to find, to check whether the given number is a prime or not. Something like I'm writing the comment. Sir, x is equal to 10, something like print of x. Print of x. So if any line starts with the hash symbol, Python virtual machine won't process that line. Remember that it's just for readability sake. Programmer added some comment. Okay, you are not required to process this one. Okay, now print of x. What is the output we are going to get? Just only 10. These two lines will be processed. Under this line is not going to be processed. Here, are you in the position to understand? Okay, sir, now here also you can write array. Here we are printing, x value. Here we are printing x value. Can you please confirm, is it acceptable or not? Respond, is it acceptable or not? Yes. Now here it is a comment. This is what inline comment. Array code is already there, and this thing is a comment. If anything prefixed with hash symbol itself is treated as comment, please take a bit very special care. Okay, comment means it is not going to be processed. That is what you have to aware. Okay, Abhishek, what I have to explain is the Fibonacci series. I have to explain here. Hmm. Last line of the program. Which one? Is it the program I require to explain? No. Okay. Recommended. So just I will explain whenever the time comes. First concentrate what I'm explaining. Okay. So highly recommended. Don't bring your general doubts here because it should be in the continuation. I have to think about all the people in the session. Okay, like now observe that how you can define the comment. Yes, any line starts with the hash symbol. This thing is by default considered as comment. Clear, right? Now I have one small doubt, sir. Okay, listen a bit very carefully. In Java, how you can define comment? Okay, there are two ways are there. Single line comment. Okay, remember this one, single line comment and a multi-line comment. In Java, single line comment, how you can do that? By using backslash, by using this forward slash. Okay, like this is the single line comment. Remember that in Java, this is the single line comment. But multi-line comment, multi-line comment, how you can do is array. This thing itself is a multi-line comment. Okay, here any number of things you can take, no problem at all. Okay, this total is considered yeah multi-line comment. Okay, like suppose here just observe that. Okay, here I'm trying to take here system.out.println. Sir, hello, hi, something like hello, hi. Next, sir, oi, oi, like I'm taking, sir. Sir, my requirement is I want to comment this line. So if I execute this code, what is the output by default we are going to get is now observe the code compiles fine, the code runs fine. Hello, hi, oi, like we are going to get. Sir, now I don't want this line. Oh, can you please comment this line? Yeah, automatically commented. Now this line won't be processed by Java Virtual Machine. Now observe carefully. Yes. Now, what is the output by default we are going to get? Hi, oi. Like only two things we are going to get. Okay, well. So now I want these two lines inside a comment. Okay, multi-line. What I will take is multi-line. What I will take is, okay, here. Next and after that, here I'm trying to take like, wow, excellent. Now here you can take 100 lines also. Everything is commented. Only this one is going to be printed. Yes, sorry. Here just observe, compile. What the output by default you are going to get Y. Any doubt? Are you feeling comfortable? How you can define single line comment, multi-line comment in Java? The same way in Python, how to define single line comment? How to define a single line comment, right? Okay. Python single line comment is Python single line comment is okay. How you can do that? Okay, by using hash symbol. Excellent. Python multi-line comment. How you can do that? Multi-line comment. How you can do that? Anyone? Can you please tell? Respond. Anyone? Can you please tell how you can define multi-line comments in Python? Excellent, excellent. Please confirm. Maybe same like this type of style. Excellent. Or by using triple quote symbol, by using triple quote symbols in triple quotes. Okay, take very special care, very special care. Most of the people are going to feel that triple quotes is multi-line comment in Python. Okay, here you can take anything you can take like so this is a multi-line comment. It won't be processed. Yeah, most of the people are going to feel like that, but make sure sir it is not a multi-line comment. It is the documentation string. Remember this one, sir. It is called a doc string, documentation string. In the next level, somewhere we are going to discuss. It is not multi-line comment. So Python multi-line comment, no such facility, no such facility. Okay. Then how to handle, sir? So prefix, all lines with the hash symbol only. Prefix all lines with the hash symbol only. Okay, remember this one. No multi-line comment. But anyway, this approach is going to work. But still, it is not multi-line comment officially. It is a documentation string, doc string. Sir, what is the doc string? Yes, sir. Next level we are going to talk in detail. Don't worry. At this stage, you can ignore. Okay, like now observe carefully here. What I want to take, sir, here just observe I'm taking print of hello. Next print of hi, print of oi. Okay, oi, like I'm taking, sir. So now I want to, if I execute this code, yes, all the lines by default we are going to get hello, hi, oi, like I'm getting, sir. Now let me comment this line. First one I commented. Okay, now hi, oi. Sir, I want to comment two lines. Then automatically no multi-line comment, no multi-line comment like sir, this is what we have to do. Every line we require to prefix with the hash symbol only. It is the official convention, sir. Okay, like oh, we are going to get. Then immediately some people may ask, sir, if 100 lines are there, if 100 lines are there, then keeping 100 hash symbols, it is always a problem. It's always a problem. Like some people may have this type of doubt. Correct, right? Yeah, some people may have this type of doubt. So very simple, sir. In real time, we are always going to use IDEs. IDEs like PyCharm. Okay, to write the code, we have to use IDE. But at beginning level, it's not recommended to use IDE. PyCharm. Next and after that, VS Code. Okay, VS Code, Visual Studio Code. Next and after that, Atom, like we have. So we are always going to use. We are always going to use. Okay, IDEs in real time, sir. In IDEs, we have one facility is there. Okay, keyboard shortcut is there, sir. Okay, like suppose assume that, okay, assume that here, 1 minute. Here assume that, okay, here just I have this code is there, sir. Now my requirement is I want to comment all these things, right? All these things, something like control backslash or control forward slash. If I click this one, automatically hash symbol by default will come for all these lines. Okay, remember that, just select these lines, and there is a keyboard shortcut is there for multi-line comment. Just control, okay, backslash, control backslash, something like if I can do that, automatically all these lines by default will be commented. Sir, I want to uncomment. Very simple, very simple. Again select these things, again select these things, and the control backslash, automatically all these commented lines will be uncommented. There is a shortcut is there in the IDEs. You are not required to worry. Clear? So multi-line comment, is it available in Python or not? Multi-line comment, is it available in Python or not? Not available. Okay, not available. By using shortcut we can do that. Okay, PyCharm. Okay, just a triple quotes I told, it is for doc string, documentation string, not for multi-line comment. Okay, here what I want to take is just a shortcut for multi-line comment in okay, PyCharm, something like let me take. Now observe that. Yes, what is this one? Okay. If the PyCharm IDE is used to write Python code, select the multiple code rows to comment and press keyboard control followed by, sir, here what is this one? Forward slash. Control plus forward slash to comment all of them. Yes. Are you in the position to understand? Hmm. Remember a bit very carefully, sir. Where is the proof? Someone asked about proof. Kiran, are you seeing? Okay, so like this is what you people should aware. Okay, shall we use PyCharm? Yes, sir, definitely. At last I will show 1 or 2 sessions how to use PyCharm. Don't worry, sir. But at the beginning stage, not recommended to use PyCharm, because PyCharm is going to generate every code. Then what you people are going to get? Nothing. That's why not recommended to use PyCharm at the beginning days. Beginning days, plain editors we require to use, not IDEs. All the people are in the position to understand about comments. That's all. Okay, a big congratulations, language fundamentals concept got completed. Okay, language fundamentals concept got completed the first unit. Okay, like yes, now take very special care. Yes, we covered about in the last 12 sessions we covered about okay, the basics we covered, sir. Okay, the basic introduction to Python I covered in the first session. Okay, so Python introduction, who introduced the Python, next, and after that when Python came, next when compared with other languages, what is the specialty for the Python, why the name Python, all these things we discussed already. Next, and after that, where we can use Python, okay, like which companies are using Python, which companies are using Python, we discussed already almost all the companies. Next, features of Python, very important, sir. Almost around 11 features we discussed about what features are there. It is a simple, okay, and easy to learn, freeware and open source, simple and easy to learn, freeware and open source, high level programming language, platform independent, portability, dynamically typed, procedure oriented and object oriented, interpreted, extensible, embedded, extensive library, like 11 features we discussed in detail with the examples, right? Next, and after that, even I covered about limitations of Python. Okay, for mobile apps not recommended, for enterprise applications it's not recommended. And then we had a discussion about flavors of Python. As it is the open source, anyone can customize Python source code and they can release their own version like JJan, C Python, PyPy, Ruby Python, Anaconda Python, like multiple flavors I discussed, right? Next and after that, even I had a discussion about Python versions. Okay, Python 2x and 3x. Which one is the recommended? Python 3x because Python 2x was the old and no support from the Python Software Foundation from 2020 onwards. Next and after that, we covered about identifiers and the rules to define identifiers, right? Next and after that, we had a discussion about reserved words. Array, what is the reserved word? How many reserved words are there in Python? Next, we had a discussion about data types. 14 data types, including none, we covered already. Have you remembered, right? List fundamental data types: int, float, int, float, complex, bool, string. Next, list, tuple, like multiple data types we discussed in the last sessions, right? Okay, especially slicing concept I explained. Especially slicing concept I explained. Next, type conversions, how you can perform. Next, immutability concept, how you can fundamental data types versus immutability. Okay, like we discussed, right? Next, and after that, what about non-type, escape characters, constants, comments, like all these things we discussed, the basics. Clear? Okay, better to spend some time and better to do, okay, friendship with these 12 sessions so that the basic idea you people are going to get. Okay, Python has interpreted language, then why it has a compiler? Compulsory it should check a syntax validity. For that, implicitly compiler must be required inside interpreter. Ishpreet Singh, IPS. Okay, it should be. Okay, that's all. So this is about okay, this is about Python language fundamentals. Okay, next we have to talk about Python operators concept.